Okay, good morning, guys. Video support for our subject, Physics for Engineers, Chapter 6, Fluids and Elasticity. I think nandito na tayo sa Problem 21. This one is a bit complicated, I think. Kaya double point siya. A cylindrical disc of wood weighing 45 Newton and having a diameter of 30 centimeter floats on some cylinder of oil density of 0.850. The cylinder of oil is 75 centimeter deep and has a diameter the same of the wood. What is the gauge pressure at the top of the oil column? So dito, in between dito. I think madali dito yung summations of forces. Oh, kasi physics to eh. So I think dapat talaga yung mga solution ko is usually summations of forces o mga ganito. I don't know. Tingnan ko lang anong solution mabigay ko. So kung dito lang sa top, um, summations of forces, makikita nyo yung forces lang na nandun is of course, kung ay, ito yung yung wood, tapos dito yung oil, ibig sabihin, yung pressure dito banda, kung oil na dito, paano ba yan? Yung pressure ng oil banda is sa kahoy, is papunta yan sa taas, yung force niya because of the pressure. At yun yung hinahanap natin. Ano daw yung pressure dito? Of course, this is force. Pero pressure man yung hinahanap natin, that should be force per area. Mapapansin natin, meron tayong pababa na kahoy, which is weight. At meron din tayong tumutulak na atmospheric pressure. F all over A. Pero atmospheric siya. Meaning, ito siya, FA atmospheric is equal to um, pressure atmospheric. Parang yung notation niya is O. PO times A. Dito, ito yung hinahanap natin. Hindi. Ito lang yung pressure sa oil. Sabihin natin, ano ba yung notation natin? Interface ay na lang. Interface ng oil multiplied by A, that is equal to your force on the interface. So, pag mag-summations of forces tayo, summations of forces on y is equal to 0, may pababa tayo na POA, pababa, negative. Tapos, may pababa tayo na weight ng kahoy. Tapos, may pataas tayo na FI or PIA. Kaya lang, yung actual na hinahanap natin is gauge pressure. Actually, kasama tong PO. So, pag mag-summations of FY kayo, hindi kayo magsimula sa rho GH, dapat nakakaintindi kayo ng definition ng gauge pressure. So, ang definition ng gauge pressure, actually, itong dalawa. Gauge pressure yan. Kung um, gauge pressure yan, meaning PAI minus POA is equal to, so nag-positive ako dito, minus ko dito yung W pumunta sa kabila, is equal to W. Weight lang nung kahoy. So yun talaga yung gauge pressure. Yung minus mo yung absolute pressure kasi yung atmospheric pressure. Kasi pag di mo minus yun, absolute pressure yung tawag dun. Meaning, diretso lang siya W. Kung makikita nyo. Kung gumamit ka naman ng equation na P, yung absolute pressure na sinasabi ko, yung equation na P2 minus P1, yata yun, or P2 minus P1, tapos is equal to negative rho GH. Yun na. Negative rho G tapos H sorry, Y2 minus Y1. Usually hindi mo 'to magagamit kasi kahoy 'to, hindi naman siya fluid. Okay? So, mapapansin mo na ito na part is usually yung concept nito is yung bigat man ng fluid. So, ibig sabihin, pwede mo siyang idiretso na yun yung bigat ng kahoy actually. Giving you the same equation for yung inuna natin. Okay? So, meaning pareho lang yan sila na lalabas. Teka, medyo manipis yung ballpen ko. Asan ba yan? But anyway, manipis yata. So, diretso na tayo. That would be, W is just the mass of your weight. 45 Newton, a cylindrical disc of having wood weighing. So, 45 Newton, yun lang. 45 Newton, 45 Newton. Kaya lang, pressure man yung P yun. Bali, mag-over ng A dito. Diba? Bali, over ng A. Ano yung A niya is given yung 30 centimeter. So, that would be, kung diameter siya, that would be A. Pi all over 4. 30 centimeter, 0.03. 31, 2. So, 0.3. 0.3 meter. Pi over 4, 0.3 meter squared. So, ikuha natin yung 4 tataas yan times 45 tapos unit niya would be kilogram meters per second squared all over pi times 0.3 squared. Diba? Tapos may unit ka dito na meter squared. So, cancel to. Ay, sorry. Isa lang pala. Isa yung makakancel. Yung unit na lalabas dito dapat is, sorry. Newton per square meters. Hindi mo na-cancel pala. Sorry, sorry. So, Newton per square meter. Di rin mo na ngayon lalabtan. Kasi pressure man yung kinocompute natin. Di rin mo nalalabtan. Pressure man yung kinocompute natin. That will give you Newton per square meter. Okay. So, lalabas dyan is 4 times 45 divided by pi times 0.3 squared. So, that will give us 636 gauge pressure. 636 in three significant figures, that would be 637. 637 Pascal. Okay? That is for letter A. I think we have to cut na muna tayo. Parang may student. Okay?